Public speaking doesn't have to be something you're afraid of. Having a conversation with someone doesn't have to be difficult. Sounding confident, being respected, and owning the room when you speak can be achieved. Take it from me. Hi, I'm Natalie, a public speaking and communication coach. And by the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can become a powerful communicator in just 4 hours. Over the course of the last 15 years, I have worked as a public speaker for Hits FM, Nike, Shell, Sephora, the Discovery Channel, AirAsia, and many, many more. I've spoken to more than 850,000 listeners daily on the radio, crowds of over 10,000 people. And as an entrepreneur, I've closed deals with some of the biggest global brands like Dior, Malaysia Airports, and W Hotels. But I started off hating the thought of speaking in public. You know, I was shy, I was scared, I was nervous. But I knew, in the back of my mind, that good communication skills were essential for my success.
By far the best investment you can make is in yourself. For example, communication skills. I tell the students that if they just learn to communicate better, both in writing and in person, they increase their value at least 50%.
I learned the art of public speaking through years of practice and by throwing myself into some of the most uncomfortable speaking situations and figuring out a way to rise above the challenges. Being a better communicator can offer you so many benefits, starting with a boost in confidence. You'll overcome fears and insecurities. You'll learn ways to unite people and motivate them into action with your words. You'll begin to get better at what you do. You'll make new social and professional connections, move up the ladder at work, build leadership skills. And most importantly, if you speak well, people will start to take notice of you, respect you, value your feedback, and remember your name. With my guidance, you'll see that public speaking is fun, it's exciting, and good communication skills will give you power. With the knowledge and experience that I've gained, I've created a 4-hour intensive workshop to help you become a powerful communicator. I've taught students from Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, France, Portugal, the United Kingdom, and many more. So come learn with me in Speak for Success, my 4-hour intensive workshop in public speaking and effective communication. Click on the link below to sign up.